you have suffered an injury, the insurance company handling your claim may ask if you are interested in settling and what you think would be a fair amount. In some instances, the insurance company may actually make an offer of settlement. In either situation, people will call wanting to know what their case is worth. This is not a question that can be easily answered. First, you should not consider settling your claim until you are at a medical endpoint. This generally means you are fully recovered or that your condition is as good as it is going to get. Until this point, you will not know what your total medical bills, expenses, and other damages are. I've spoken with many people over the years who settled their claims early for amounts that seemed reasonable, only to then need more medical care, such as surgery, the costs of which were far more than the settlement received. In New Hampshire, you typically have 3 years from the date of your injury to settle or file suit. Accordingly, there is no reason to rush a settlement in the early stages of your treatment. After you've reached a medical endpoint, you will need to consider whether future care is needed. In cases where there are serious and permanent injuries, such as when there is paralysis or a significant head injury, a life care plan can be done to determine what the cost of treatment over your lifetime will be. In some cases, knowing this figure is critical. Once all the medical costs are known, an attorney will look at the total harms and losses you suffered to determine what is a fair and reasonable settlement amount. We consider many factors, such as the nature of the injury, the treatment received, any scarring, and if you have a permanent impairment. We also look at your lost wages and if you are going to be able to return to work. If there are problems with the case, we factor these in as well. Some people think there's an easy formula that can be used. This is not the case. We must review the facts and circumstances of every case and consider how a jury would value the specific harms and losses suffered. For this reason, we believe everyone should consult with an experienced attorney before accepting an offer or even discussing any settlement numbers with an insurance company.
At Manning & Zimmerman, we are committed to fighting for the rights of our clients. We never defend insurance companies. We only represent the injured. The insurance company handling your case will have its own attorney. Shouldn't you have your own attorney as well? Please visit our website at manningzimmermanlaw.com or feel free to call us at 603-624-7200.